This video will detail how to set up your wall mount faucet with blue coil hose and heavy-duty sprayer. Before beginning assembly, please note the following. Turn off water supply to the main source. Hand tighten all parts prior to tightening with a wrench. Do not force parts together. All plated surfaces should be handled with care. Avoid scratching with tools. Use Teflon tape or pipe joint compound when making threaded connections to water supply lines. Use a utility knife to cut the seals on the box. Remove the contents from their packaging with your utility knife. Once complete, you should have 2 adapter pieces for the sprayer, 1 adapter piece for the hose, 3 pieces for the faucet's L-shaped riser pipe, 1 backflow preventer, 2 faucet attachments, 2 rubber washers, the 2 parts of the sprayer's holder, the coiled hose, and the sprayer. Insert the rubber washers and secure the faucet body to the wall mount by turning the attached nut to the right. Next, gather your 3 L-shaped riser pipe components, your adapter, and your backflow preventer. Press the riser pipe into the center opening of the faucet body until both rubber O-rings slide into place. Secure the riser pipe to the center of the faucet body by turning its attached nut to the right. Tighten the L bend onto the end of the long spout. Tighten the extension spout into the end of the L bend. Make sure the arrows of the backflow stopper are facing out or in the direction of the water flow into the hose. Secure the hose adapter into the end of the backflow preventer. Tighten the hose to the adapter by turning the copper nut to the right. Assemble the 2 adapter pieces for the sprayer. Tighten the larger of the 2 adapters, adapter A, to the base of the sprayer by turning it to the right. Tighten the smaller adapter, adapter B, into adapter A. Slide the sprayer's locking ring onto the hose. Turn the brass end of the hose to the right to secure it into the threaded opening of adapter B. Slide the metal end of the sprayer's fork mount into the opening of its metal base. Secure the two together via the base's locking mechanism, which is moved into place by twisting the nut to the right. Use a number 14 crescent wrench to tighten the hose attachment points. Since 1927, Shor-Line has taken pride in its quality and customer service. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-444-1579.